Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll show you how to change your default currency or manage multiple currencies inside Revolut, updated for 2025. Whether you're traveling or just want to manage different wallets, this guide makes it simple. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Revolut app and log into your account. Step 2. Tap on the Accounts tab at the bottom of the screen. Step 3. Tap the plus icon or scroll down to add new account. Step 4. Choose the currency you want to add, like USD, EUR, GBP, or others. Once selected, Revolut will create a new wallet in that currency. Step 5. To switch currencies for spending or transfers, just tap on the account you want to use, and it becomes your active wallet. Step 6. When sending money or paying, Revolut will use the currency of your active wallet. If you don't have enough balance, it'll auto-convert from another wallet. Bonus tip. You can also set exchange rate alerts and even convert funds manually between currencies using the exchange feature. And that's it. You've now set up and changed your currency in Revolut like a pro. If this helped, like the video and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching.